Bear with me as we go where the ocean breeze and the dolphins roam. There's no place I'd rather be than with you, being barefoot and salty.
We're really making our best effort to explore A Coruna, but this weather is making it difficult. Hold on to your handbag, people! Alright, we're on our way. We're leaving Coruna and we're heading somewhere towards Portugal. We're not quite sure how far we're going to make it, but we're going to try to make it somewhere close to Lisbon. So it should be another 3-day trip ahead of us. Sea state is relatively choppy, 3-meter waves. They should be tapering down as the day progresses.
I fall into the motions, holding an ocean inside me. I wanna go just where the river, mountain, and sky meet. I am a body of season.
The swells are 8 to 10 feet and we're just rocking all over the place. Views are absolutely beautiful. It's unfortunate that we're not feeling good because look at this view. We got our friends from A Coruna sailing their monohull right off the coast of Spain, so it's nice to see their sails up, and they're heading to an anchorage for the night, so it's nice being able to sail close to someone else. But yeah, just unfortunate because it is rocking and rolling out here.
Is time playing tricks on us? The way that we're moving, the days feel like hours to me. And still through it all, I believe. Your life is a song, it's a sweet melody. Your story is whatever you want it to be. We're in this together, one family. Your life is a song beautiful to me. Breeze comes to lift us up in the still of the afternoon. I'm reminded of love coming to fill up my cup. Your life is a song, it's a sweet melody. Your story is whatever you want it to be.
Well, this is day 2, mid-afternoon. We're on our way to Lisbon, and we are sailing at approximately 7.8 to 8 knots. Downwind, wind on our aft quarter, and making good progress. A beautiful day. Seas are treating us very nicely. Have a kind of a following sea, and we hope to be in Lisbon area around 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, and all's well. It's a little tricky at night because we don't have the AIS working, so we have to be on a real careful lookout for boats. A lot of fishing boats around, and so it's like playing dodger.
It's day 2 on our trip from A Coruna to Cascais, and I woke up to a really beautiful day. The seas are calm, the wind is behind us, and we just have a really nice day ahead of us. We've got the jib and the mainsail out, and looking forward to a nice calm day. Our nights are a little stressful because we still don't have AIS. We tried our best in A Coruna to get the AIS fixed. The guy came and tried several different things, putting a new antenna in addition to a Garmin software update, and both times it temporarily worked and then shut back down. So the boys are asleep and I'm manning the post right now, but I just want to show you this really beautiful view. Come check it out. I could watch them all day long. This is the most beautiful thing I think I've ever seen.